In this video, I'll be going through how you can update product availability in Amazon Vendor Central in bulk. For those of you who are new here, my name is Benjamin Bolshinsky. I used to work at Amazon in the vendor management team, and now I run a company called Vendor Launch, where we work with Amazon vendors to grow their purchase orders. And so, without further ado, this is a very important topic. A lot of vendors that come to my company as clients, before they come to us, this is a mistake they often make. They don't take the time to properly update product availability in Vendor Central. And so firstly, why should you be doing this? Updating product availability determines if Amazon is able to raise purchase orders to your vendor account. Because if a product is listed as permanently unavailable, Amazon's system is unable to raise any purchase orders, POs, and therefore you will lose sales. And a super important critical point that many clients, many vendors are unaware about is that if you reject a product in a PO 3 times in a row, so you're out of stock, you unconfirm it, you reject that particular product for 3 consecutive purchase orders, the availability status will automatically change. Amazon's ordering system will assume that the product is temporarily unavailable. You will not be notified of this. And so a lot of vendors that have massive catalogs, over 1,000 products, they might reject the product 3 times in a row. The system will automatically change it to temporarily unavailable, and they will stop getting purchase orders. And this can be very difficult to track if you have a bigger catalog. And so many vendors, before they come to us, there are some products that Amazon have stopped ordering, and it's taken them, a year before we identify, the availability status is just updated to temporarily unavailable. And the vendor's like, oh, but we didn't do that. And so that's why, because the system can do this, it can trigger the system to update the product availability. So this is why it's really important to be on top of this. So how do you actually do this? How do you update product availability in Vendor Central in bulk? Firstly, you go to the menu, then you click on items, and then you click on manage product availability section. This will take you to this page here, where you can search all of the ASINs that you want to update at once. This is how you do it the bulk product availability way. You can search up to 10,000 ASINs at once. You enter them 1 ASIN per line in this red box here. Click on search. It will find the results, and then it will come up with this option here. Download link, click to download. So basically, this will download a pre-filled template with all of the products that you've just searched. And this is how you do it very quickly and efficiently if you have a big catalog. So an example, this is a template here. I've got as an example, there's 6 products. All of this will be pre-filled. The only thing that you have to be careful about is these blue fields highlighted in blue. So firstly, ASIN. What ASIN are you updating the availability for? Vendor code. Make sure that this is your parent or your ordering vendor code that you're getting purchase orders for. You've selected this one. And then column J, required field. What is the availability status? So for example, let's just say we've got one product that is temporarily unavailable from July this year until August. So we would just add the dates, the unavailability dates. As such, we've got the unavailability start date. So this is when you don't want any more purchase orders, where you don't have stock. And then column L is the next availability date. So when do you want to start getting POs again? When are you back in stock? In this case, we've got 2 dates here, a 1-month out of stock window, and so we've updated the dates accordingly. Now let's just say product number 6, we're discontinuing it permanently. So we'll click on permanently unavailable. When is it being discontinued? Let's just say 1st of August. And you can, 1st of August, and then you can see there's no need to fill out a availability status because, well, it's permanently unavailable. And so that's how you do it. Again, there's 3 options: available, you want POs, you're in stock; temporarily unavailable, there's an out of stock window, you don't want POs; and then permanently unavailable, you're discontinuing the line permanently. You can always, of course, if your product is currently temporarily unavailable, but you've got the stock sooner than your window, then again, you can just download the template and then update the availability status to available, and you'll start getting purchase orders immediately. So yeah, hopefully that helps. This is the bulk template. You've complete this for as many products as you wish, and then once you've completed it, you then need to upload it back into the product availability section. Click on upload availability on the bottom right here, and then that's pretty much it. It'll update the template and will automatically update in Vendor Central. Hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, hope you have a great day, and we'll talk soon.